option like this. It has the built-in sponge on top. It has the cap. The thing I like about this is that even though I got a little messy with it when I was doing my boots and my kids' boots with these, just because I'm like super fast, that it doesn't leak, which I love. And it didn't leak during shipment or anything, which they come really nicely packaged as well. Then you're going to have your brown in there as well. And then you're going to have your nice clear. So it can be used on anything. You can use the clear for anything. So this is great for real leather, for faux leather, to keep up the appearance, to help to get rid of scuff marks, to brighten it up and bring it back to life and make it look new again. And then the thing that I really like about these is that they don't have an odor. So if you're familiar with shoe polishes, the smell on shoe polishes can be very obnoxious. These are natural based. So they have natural wax, they have emulgator, they have polymer and resin, anti-foam and water. That's it. That's all the ingredients that are in there, with the exception, of course, of the natural wax being beeswax. So the nice thing about the natural wax being beeswax in there is it does help to lock that in and create a nice sheen and make it more waterproof for your boots, which is why I love these a lot. I will grab my boots and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So I have my big old winter boots here. Okay, and I'm always getting these all scuffed up and all mussed up. They've gotten like so badly scuffed. And what I do is I like to use the black one, but I will also show you guys the clear one too. I just kind of give it a little shake like that. And it has anti-foam in it. And then you're going to want to squeeze like this and apply pressure. Squeeze and apply pressure. You'll hear a snap. And then after that, you get to go to work. Okay, so you guys see that right there? This is the clear. Okay, and the nice thing about this, of course, is going to help. The clear one, what it's going to do is going to help to keep a nice sheen. It'll help with scuff marks, and it makes it look fresh again. Now, if you want to cover up like really deep scuff marks that are like, they have changed the color of the shoe, then you want to match the color of the shoe. This one does help with just like shallow, not severe scuff marks. And it really gives a nice sheen to anything that's like leather or faux leather. But again, no smell at all. No smell at all. Which I think is really hard to accomplish with polishes because they usually have like a weird odor. And then we have the black one. So that one is going to take a little bit to dry there. And of course you can just shine it. Sometimes I just take some of their tissues and I just kind of go like back and forth really quickly. Now what I like about the colored ones is going to be, the thing that I like about the colored ones is going to be the fact that it doesn't come off all over your hands. So again, same thing, push, squeeze, pop down until it makes a snappy noise. Hear that little snap? It almost sounds like a knuckle being snapped. Then look at that, so pigmented. I love how pigmented these are. And it's really easy to apply, but look how black that is. And the thing that I really like about it too is like if I take the little tissue, I like let it soak for a second, but just because, you know, we're live, so I can't like be doing this forever. I just kind of go like this. After it's soaked in a bit, you see the difference between the area that doesn't have any and the area that does, the darkness. Right around here, that's without, that's with. There's a huge difference in the darkness. And see how like I wiped some off like that? The rest just soaks in and stays there. So I just take off any excess because I have a tendency of like just going really, really crazy with it. I really do. And then afterwards, I like that it doesn't get all over. So it's really quick to dry and not get all over your hands. Versus when you first do it like that, but look, already. And you can still see, it still has a lot on there. Like I'll go over here where it's still kind of wet. Really, really nice how much it locks down. So what I do is I just do this every once in a while with my boots and my kids' boots. And another thing I like with it raining and everything, nothing ever comes off. It doesn't just start to wash off. It just stays there, which is really nice. So every once in a while when we start to get really, really scuffed up from just going for walks with them, you know, you get in the rocks. Everything has terrain around here. So it makes it really easy to take care of them. And so if you also have somebody, you know, who likes to take care of their shoes before they go to work, you have nice dress shoes, church shoes, etc., Really easy for you guys to take care of them with the clear, the brown, and the black all together for $15.85. So you always have something for those faux leather or real leather shoes. Next, we'll move on to a WBM care item, which is going to be a beauty item. Let me go ahead and grab this really quick here. I believe tonight we have the color changing one. So what I'll do is I will wipe off the other lip balm I had on my lips so I can show you guys, because I naturally have kind of like really pink lips. So I always tell you guys that ahead of time. Okay, so if you guys can see, I had like this like light brown lip gloss on earlier that left a little color on my lips. Just a little bit of color on my lips. But you guys can see my lips are like really pink naturally. It's a whole thing. It's really annoying. I mean, it's good sometimes, but sometimes it's not good. Like you want to put lipstick on and it changes the color of it, you know, because your lips are already pink. So I'm going to show you guys so look at the way my lips are now. And then I'll put this on. You guys can see I actually hurt my lip right there. It hurts really bad. It has a nice little sheen, but okay. I'll try not to touch my upper lip to my lower lip. So you guys can see the difference. My lips are fairly pink colored. That's with nothing, and that's with just one swipe. So see the difference in the color? These are really, really nice. Again, just kind of like the baby lip balm we were talking about earlier in the live stream. Very silky, very creamy. WBM has like the best lip balm formula. So look at that pretty pink color. This one's going to be catching up to this one. And if you wanted to add more on, you can. Like while it's still fresh, if you go in like this, you can darken up, add some heat, and then it gets really, really pink. Super, super pink. You see it keeps getting darker. So that's how you do it. That's how I do it. And then sometimes I'll even put like a really sparkly clear lip gloss on top of it and just wear it as like my lip gloss. The thing I like about it, it does have shea butter. It has candelilla wax, beeswax to lock in moisture, shea butter to lock in moisture and to soften. It has vitamin E oil in there, so helping with those little fine lines you get in your lips to plump, to help to soften. And then of course it does also have olive oil in there, sunflower oil. It has so many wonderful ingredients that are really great for softening your lips, helping to smooth them as well. But that beautiful, beautiful pink color is perfect, because if you don't like to wear lipstick because it's really drying on your lips, or you're worried about the color getting all over the place, this is really nice to get a nice little color without having to have like actual makeup on. Also really easy with all the mask wearing and everything, to be honest with you, because like I love lip gloss so much. I don't really wear lipstick. I'm more of a lip gloss person. This is like that nice in between where you're getting the color from lipstick, but then you're getting that sheen and that nice like really filling, juicy look to your lips from the lip balm part of it. Really, really cute color. Such a nice flattering color for everybody's lips. Let me go ahead and put this aside here. Now those are very affordable too, because they're only $5.99. They're very highly rated. That's another one I would recommend as a last minute stocking stuffer idea, or an idea to add into gift baskets. That's something I've always kind of said when we've been live streaming, is that those are really easy and affordable for you to put into a gift basket or a stocking stuffer, etc., to add on to things, because it's something that I think anyone would really enjoy. Just a little hint of pink, really soft, creamy, super moisturized lips, and it lasts a really long time too, which is very important. You want your lip balm to last a long time and be as natural as possible too. So you guys can see now it's developed. So if I just put a little bit, it just get barely pink, but since I rubbed in more while it was still freshly applied, now look how pink it is. It's sort of like that popsicle pink color, you know, like really nice and summery. Next, I'm going to move on to another household care item, which is going to be our dust